So, which one of these tools should I use? This one? Or perhaps this one?
You expect me to believe in this?
Well, when have I ever talked without proof?
So you're telling me you have evidence to support your claim?
As a matter of fact, I do.
So tell me again, what causes these incidents you speak of?
I have a theory. I believe that every troll face is born with two distinct personalities, unlike Dirk and other race. One is him, but the other is the narrator. The narrator guides the troll face through his basic tasks in a form of steps. The narrator appears to be omniscient but only knows as much as the troll face. I have a reason to believe that sometimes this narrator becomes corrupted.
I am glad that you're finally spending time with us.
Well, luckily my boss didn't stop me from taking a week off.
I appreciate you being with us.
Murder, death, massacre, salvation, apocalypse, atonement, blood, pain, misery.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I am. Sorry I zoned out for a while.
You look tired.
Yeah, I think so. Let's just go home then.
Alright. Hey Tyler, we're going home now, come on.
Okay, Mom.
Need some help?
What? Who?
It's alright. It's just me.
You again? Why don't you leave me alone?
That is simply not possible. We occupy the same body.
Who allowed you to stay here? You are ruining my life. I can't focus on my work due to these voices.
Well, if you wish I can help you get of these voices.
Really?
Yeah, my job was to help you achieve your goals even if it's against my existence.
Alright, I will trust you for this once.
Troll tutorial, how to make the voices go away. Step 1, look for a licensed psychiatrist in your area. Step 2, book an appointment with the psychiatrist.
With this, I'll hopefully be free.
Step 3, head to the psychiatrist. Step 4, you have arrived. Go and meet the psychiatrist.
Hi, I'm Charleston. I have an appointment with Dr. Fabio.
Right, sir. I see you booking. Just wait 30 minutes. Dr. Fabio will call you.
Step 5, wait for your turn.
Sir, Dr. Fabio will now see you.
Alright.
Step 6, time to meet the psychiatrist.
So, what's your issue?
I am hearing these voices all the time. They are quite intrusive. I can't pay attention to anything. In the beginning, they were quite benign. But now, these voices are telling me to commit these violent acts that I can never imagine myself doing.
That's actually interesting because I've met many troll faces in my life with the same problem as you. Looks like this sort of problem is more common among your kind.
What does that mean?
Well, I got these pills for you. They should help you. If these don't work, then you can meet me again.
Thank you.
Step 7, go back home. Step 8, take the pills. Step 9, you took the pills, now wait.
Wait, it actually worked. The voices are now gone.
Step 10, wake up now, it's day.
Wait, you're back already.
Step 11, go to your work.
I guess I'll bear it for another day.
Hey dude, boss is asking for you.
Boss? Why?
Well, it's something about you zoning out at work.
Boss, you asked for me?
Yes, I am tired of you not paying attention to your work. Do you know how long it took me to start this company? I can't deal with people like you running it to the ground. You are fired.
Look what you just did.
Do you still blame me? You've already seen how this world acts like to people like you. Step 12, go back home.
Hey, how was your day?
Not good. I need some time alone.
Step 13, your head hurts.
Time to take another pill.
Murder, vengeance, pain, rebirth, misery. 14. You are going insane. Give up. Abandon all hope.
Hey, Dad. Wait, Dad?
Hey honey, did you see Tyler? What did you just did? Where am I?
You're in the basement. Abandon all hope. So, which one of these tools should I use? This one? Or perhaps this one?
Drop your weapon. Now.
All right, I'm asking you for the last time. Why did you kill your child?
I was just partaking in a bit of trolling.
Trolling. You killed your son. You nearly did the same to your wife.
The weak shall perish.
I don't have anything else to ask. Take him away.
Did he escape?
Yes, he did. He got away.
Alert everyone.
Attention everyone. A very dangerous criminal has recently escaped police custody. The killer is known for killing people in their own home. Please lock all your doors and keep your windows closed.
Bro, this is creepy.
I suppose.
By the way, did you lock your door when you came here?
I think I did.